Workers in the informal sector, including gardeners, construction workers, carpenters, and many others who share this concern, total up to 75.8% of the workforce in the country. Like for us porters, if one of us gets knocked by a car and doesn't have social security fund, we will be of great loss. It would be safe if we had one as we grow older, otherwise we will suffer. We make little money. We also live in houses we rent. We can make up to 20,000 francs and try and survive on that, including rent as well. The General Secretary of the Rwanda Workers' Trade Union Confederation echoes the concerns of the informal workers. This is a serious problem that involves issues of the well-being of our workers. We need a law implemented on ways these employees can be included, and also involve those that are not registered workers, so that they can be paid through the bank and can benefit from it. For this to be possible, we need to join hands with all those responsible for the workforce in the country. The Director of Labour Research and Employment Promotion at the Ministry of Public Service and Labour says there's a large number of informal workers in Rwanda, and this is an issue they look forward to solving. The first thing we as administrators do is advocacy around the services. For those that understand and show will, we will give them all the information. But for those that deliberately refuse, they will be penalized. So if the auditor does the inspection and is not fulfilled, there are punishments in place. So what we would encourage all the employers is to save for the employees because it benefits all the parties. Officials at the Rwanda Social Security Board say this is a problem they're working to address. When someone asks for help, for example, he or she has an accident at work, and they ask for help, yet they have not been registered nor contributed accordingly, how can they be helped? When they reach an old age, what will happen? It's hard to see someone who has worked all their life and later feel like a burden to the country. We advise them to join the fund so it may improve their lives in the future. 3 years ago, the number of informal workers was 91% of the total number of employees, but now the rate has reduced to 75.8%, while the number of registered workers is 24.2% of the total number of employees in the country. Gabi Muvunyi for RTV.